This is a gentleman who's in his late 50s, whose only underlying medical condition was high blood pressure. He initially developed a fever and a cough, which, like many others, then progressed to shortness of breath. He needed to be intubated, to have a breathing tube placed in his mouth, into his airway, and connected to a mechanical ventilator.
Cough to shortness of breath to a breathing tube to now being on a ventilator. That quickly?
Very quickly. And what we're seeing is that there's rapid progression and damage to the lungs, so that he needed higher and higher levels of support from that ventilator. When we recreated the images into 360-degree virtual reality, it became obvious very quickly that there's such a stark contrast between the virus-infected abnormal lung and the more healthy adjacent lung tissue. This is something that the general public can take a look at and really start to comprehend how severe the amount of damage that this is causing to the lung tissue. Hopefully the public can see these images and really start to understand why this is so serious and how this virus really is not discriminating amongst various people, how it is really starting to affect people of all different ages.